our channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I cook my Lechon Paksiw. This is Filipino dish that is so yummy and delicious. Okay, after we saute the garlic and the onion, I'm gonna add a little bit of the ginisa mix. I bought this in the Filipino store. Shout out to Feel Stuff. And then we're just gonna put a little pinch. And then we're gonna add in some pepper. We're gonna add in our roasted pork. We're just gonna fry it a little bit so it will absorb the flavor of the garlic and the onion. I'm gonna add a little bit of the vinegar, half a cup of the vinegar. Yummy. Bang Tomas all-purpose sauce. We're gonna add Bang Tomas. I have 1 cup of the sauce. So I wanted it with extra sauce, so I added half a cup more because I really love the sauce. Okay, let's go ahead and check. It's been simmering for 5 minutes. Okay, this is good and this is done and it's ready to be served. This is our Filipino Lechon Paksiw and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. This is a good match for a steamed rice. As you guys all know, Filipinos love rice. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy my video. If you like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, comment down below. You can also follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.